Hey, ladies and gentlemen, one of the common goals that we have as photo booth operators is we're always trying to get the best picture quality along with the best 360 videos. So in this video that I'm about to share with you guys right now, this is a video that I'm very pleased with. Reason why is because when you guys pay close attention to the exposure, to the colors, the vibrancy, there's almost no noise in this video. You guys are going to be pretty amazed because I'm pretty amazed at this video right here. Now, keep in mind, guys, I use Snapix software for this specific video, but I did some things that are a little different that I hope that trigger you enough to get you to try some of the stuff that I am trying. So let me go ahead and minimize this here and play the video for you guys. Here we go. So this is me here in my garage. As you guys can see, this black shirt that I'm wearing is a black shirt that I'm wearing right now. It doesn't look faded. It looks like a nice black, but in real life, it's a little faded. It's a little old. And you guys are going to see too how smooth this video looks. I no longer feel like I need a DSLR camera. You guys can see that there's absolutely like no grain in this video. I only used two lights. They weren't set to the very brightness. I have a light in the ceiling that's somewhat dim, but because I was able to manipulate the settings on manual on Snapix, I was able to achieve a video of this quality, and I'm very happy. Now you guys are probably thinking, what phone am I using? At one point I was using the iPhone 13, but right now I switched over to the 15 Pro. However, guys, if you're still using an iPhone 13, believe me when I say that you can still get almost the exact same quality. You just have to focus on your lighting and explore these manual settings on Snapix. I'm gonna go ahead and put my link in the description box below. You can actually try the 7D trial, or if you guys get hooked on Snapix, if you use that same link, you'll get 10% off on your subscription. I hope this video excites you guys. Take care and good luck on your next event. Peace.